CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thank you for calling mobile service.
Oh, hi. I was calling about a pre-purchase inspection.
Do you know when would you like to get it done?
I'm looking at a car in is that close to you guys or yeah, okay. Now I could I've never had this done before, so I could meet you guys there, or I'm just trying to figure out the best way to do it because I have to could we do it tomorrow morning, or do I need to be there for you guys to do it? Or should I be there?
No.
What do you think?
No, you don't have to be there. The only thing we're gonna need is whoever the salesperson is or whoever the contact person is, just let me know what's the name of it. And we call them and we set the appointment, and when I get there I just do the inspection and send you the report. Okay.
Yeah, it looks like I'm looking at the Carfax. I'm sure you could probably help me look at the Carfax too. There has been one accident, but it says it's moderate, so I don't think it did anything. It's between it's lower than moderate. So I guess that I was looking at the internet and it said maybe for something like that you guys would just make sure that there was no damage in the moderate accident. You know what I mean?
Was the accident, was it on the front, on the back, or just the bumper, or just the front, or where was it?
I don't know. I could text you the Carfax, so that's kind of what I need help with. You know what I mean? So I'm just looking at the vehicle. I got a deal on it. But he sent me the Carfax and it says, let me look at it real quick, just 1 second.
Okay.
It's between hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, it's between the Carfax scale. It's between minor and moderate. So I don't, because he's telling me it has a clean
CarHelpout.com.
But I do see something that says accident, that's, and then the scale is minor to moderate. So I guess I just wanted to bring that to your attention for how you would inspect that,
Okay. We could look into it and see to see because whenever we do the inspections, we make sure that there's no colors has to be matched. That's mean if the colors doesn't match, that's when the car maybe had an accident or maybe they changed something.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, because that's the thing. The thing is they say if it's been in an accident, we're gonna look to see
yeah.
So that's why I'm asking was it accident on the front or the back or on the side? Or that's the reason I'm asking that because regardless we still gotta check.
Well, I don't. I only know as much as you know.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, we're still gonna check the frame to see if it's check the frame to see if the frame is bent or anything. We check. We always check. If we see anything that's doesn't make sense, and we're still gonna let you know in the report.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Yeah. I'm just telling you something that I see. But the guys, you know what I mean? I guess you could probably look at the Carfax with me and then, now are you guys available
the Carfax doesn't say anything as much. It says got just minor damage, but it doesn't be specific of where the damage is. I don't know.
Yeah, right. I'm just bringing that to your attention. Now, I could ask the dealer for more info on this because he told me it's a clean Carfax, and then I see something it says that it wasn't it says minor to moderate. So I know that could be just someone hitting your bumper or something. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah. What kind of car is it? I'm just curious.
So it's a Mitsubishi Lancer.
Okay, what year is that?
It's 2017, and it has 35,000 miles on it. The miles are low, also. I'm wondering what's the deal with that too. I know it's good that it has low miles, but it's has it not been running? You know what I mean?
Yeah, 2017. Yeah, with 35,000 miles. Unless the person doesn't drive. We can look because the thing is some of the dealership. I don't know if this one does it, but I don't think dealership will do that. But hey, you never know. Sometimes they roll the mileage over, but
They'll
majority of the time, go ahead.
they'll put the miles back.
Yeah, sometimes like it's most likely I don't see dealership does that, but people that are selling the cars on the street sometimes they do that. But yeah, you never know. The only way
Yeah,
I'm
because it does seem so low. So, is there any way for you to like see if that's happened?
No. The only way that I can look is like there's two ways that we can look to see like if it's true or not. I mean, it's not accurate, but based on the knowledge that we have, the thing is like we can look at like to see if there's any crack on the window. That the window is like where the mileage is. If there's no crack on that, the second place that we look at the gas pedal.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Sometime there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
Because like if the gas pedal is worn out, most likely there's no way it could be 35,000 miles. But if it's still like, if it's still like look brand new, but it's like 35,000 miles, it's a brand new car. I mean, if it still look brand new, most likely it might be, but it's not 100% the factor.
Yeah, it seems low low.
based on the Carfax that you have, like what's the mileage on the Carfax? What is it says?
It says 35,000 miles.
So when was the last time that they report on the Carfax though? Does it show that the last time? Like
I mean, it's the car's at a dealer. I mean, he just sent me the Carfax last night. I could send it to you, because it's a dealer, so we have access to the Carfax.
Okay.
So, I mean, you could help me look at the Carfax.
Yeah, but like based on the Carfax that you're looking at, did you say like when was the last time the oil was changed on it?
Oh.
So the oil change, usually like whenever they do oil change, like they have to report the mileage on the oil change. Does it show anything of that? At least give you some indication.
Yeah, let me look real quick. Okay, so I could look this up. I archived the Carfax, but I mean it's at a dealership, and he's telling me that it has 35,000 miles. So I don't think it has more than that.
Okay. Yeah, if that's what it says. That's what it says. I mean, yeah, we could make it happen. You say tomorrow morning you would like to get it done?
Yeah, I think
today?
So. What times are you available?
I think
it might be better if I'm there, probably, huh? Now, do you guys test drive it, or are you just going to check it out?
We do test drive it. Yeah, we test drive it unless, like, if they allowed us to do it. Sometimes, like, some dealership, they don't. They don't allow us to test drive it. But, I mean, we still drive it.
So I could test drive it? Okay.
Yeah.
What times are you available today and in the morning? It would definitely be by tomorrow morning, but maybe today if I don't need to go with you.
Today we could get it done. Let's see.
Yep.
If we look at today, we'll look at run like
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
3 because we need like at least an hour just to do an inspection. Minimum, it'll take an hour minimum. Do you know what time the dealership close?
They close at 5.
They close at 5. Yeah, if they close at 5, it's gonna be pretty tight.
I could do it with you. What do you have tomorrow morning?
I mean, we might be able to do it today around like 3:00.
Okay, and then what's a good time tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning. What time they open? I mean, we can do it tomorrow morning, early in the morning, but not.
Okay, let me see what time they. Let me call over there. I'll see what time they open and if we can do it. Because if we do it in the morning, maybe I can meet you there.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let me call over there and then I'll give you a call back and just see when I'll let them know those 2 times.
All right. Let us know.
Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks. All right. No problem. Bye.
Did I talk to you earlier? Did you get the text that I sent you?
1 second.
It's just pictures of the Carfax.
Yeah, because they don't come directly to me. Give me a second. It's a vendor that's in the driver's side, the front.
Yeah.
That's where they have
right. And then it says that happened. If I'm reading that correct, it says that happened in December 25.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
December the 31st.
So I emailed them. And asked, like, have they had because that's recent, you know. So I emailed them, have they had the car since then? You know what I mean?
Okay.
So that's what I wanted you to see. Do you think there's any other questions I should ask them?
Let's see.
I asked if they have the full Carfax because they just sent me these pictures. They said, here's, screenshots of the Carfax. But I don't know. It looks like someone maybe got in an accident in December and they probably had the car since or something. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Yeah, it could be. It's showing the last time they do oil change on it, that was in December. That's weird. So if the car had an accident on December the 31st, the last time they do oil change on it was December the 31st. That doesn't add up.
I know.
Was it happened because of the oil change? That's the reason why. Right after the oil change, I got an accident.
Yeah, these are and the guy told me it's a clean Carfax. It's like I get these people telling me it's a clean Carfax, but then I see I don't know what a clean Carfax means. Maybe that just means the title's good.
So they just send you a picture of that's the picture they sent you of the Carfax?
Yeah, they said, hey, here's the picture. Here's the picture of the Carfax.
You can get the VIN number. And you could do your own Carfax.
Yeah, but I have to pay for it when they have it.
Yeah.
I mean, if they have it, they could just send it to me.
Yeah,
the dealer, they
send it to you. Go ahead.
Yeah, but do you think that looks fishy, or should I just ask questions?
I mean, that doesn't help anything at all. But this is based on the Carfax, it's like the front of the driver's side, that's where the car get hit. I mean, it could be like little fender bumper, but no one knows. But the only way you're gonna know, the only way that I might be able to tell is if the paint is different than the rest of the paint. Because if the front bumper, if it's the colors, it doesn't match of the rest of the car.
Yeah.
That's when they change the bumper. Because if they change the bumper, it's not a minor accident. Because change bumper is the bumper has to hit hard, unless.
Okay. So let me get a hold of this guy. Let me ask a few questions about this accident, and then if it checks out and seems okay, I'll have you go over there.
Huh?
But it's already seeming a little weird. But I'm not. I just gotta ask more questions. But thank you for your help. I'm gonna ask some questions and then I'll ask them if they can have you over at 3 or in the morning. Thank you.
No problem.
CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.